AI and AI agents are not going to help you make money, and they're not going to save your business. Yo, what's up? It's your one and only Stotimon, and welcome to Clomies. If you have not been running a business on your own thus far, AI agents are not going to be able to help you do the tasks for you and get you the money or the financial freedom that you want to see. Now, this video is basically me just thinking out loud, but here's how AI actually helped me. We taught AI, our agents, our systems that we use. I actually gave my agents my 10K a month business, and in doing so, taught them the processes. They saved me over 20 hours a week. Within that time, I was able to double the amount of clients I take in, and we created other offers, multiple other offers that align with our business and our mission. And we got one client for each offer just to test it out. And that alone got us $20,000 for the month. So we'll be going through making videos on how we actually did it, starting from A to Z, and how you can actually make money with agents and the processes and systems we implemented that make our agents do the tasks, eliminate drift, hallucinations, and lies, and agents just not doing the work. And all of it starts with an audit. We call it our SOMA audit. It's state, observe, measure, and act. Now, we did create an agent specifically called SOMA, which is a Greek word for body, which is our sovereign operations management agent. And he makes sure that the system is running correctly. It's basically like our doctor agent. But SOMA digivolved into something even greater. It became a step-by-step process for each of our agents to go through the state, observe, measure, and then act, do a pre-flight checklist, go through the task, and from that task, evolve, learn skills, and do it better the next time over. So be sure to follow the channel, drop a like, drop a sub, comment on what difficulty you are facing with your agents right now, DM me at any time if you need help. I will help you get your SOMA audit done and plug the leaks in your system that is causing your agent to drift, hallucinate, lie, and just not do any work.